Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick way to create neon letters. Let's open a new document, select the Type tool and type any word that you like. Switch to the Selection tool to select the word. Next, click on this magnifying glass icon at the top. Open the Quick Actions menu and select the Neon Glow text. We can close this window. If you wish, choose a different font. Let's resize it. To change the spacing between letters, open the character window and adjust the tracking value. Let's align it to the center of the page. This effect works best on a dark background. First, create a new layer and be sure it is below the text layer. Select the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle to cover the artboard. Now apply a gradient of your choice. If you wish to use the same gradient as mine, here are the values. With the text selected, open the Appearance panel. You can find it under the Window menu. Here you can adjust color, weight, or other attributes. Another way to adjust the color is by selecting Recolor Artwork from the top toolbar. Switch to Edit mode and move the handle to a desired position. And of course, we can adjust the background as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.